How to replace and clean the padding. To remove the side pads, unclip them by pulling the pads towards the center of the helmet. To remove the neck pad, lift the back flap over the ratchet knob and remove the entire pad. To remove the top pad, pull away from the dome. To remove the dome, unclip the green clips at the back. Lift the dome from the helmet. With all the padding removed, now is a good opportunity to clean the interior with an alcohol wipe. The side pad covers can also be replaced for hygiene purposes. To replace the padding, put the top pad with the logo at the back into the dome. Now take the dome, again with the logo at the back, and insert it into the helmet. Take the 2 green clips and clip into place. To replace the neck pad, place the pad over the ratchet knob with the logo facing out. Fold the pad over the ratchet strap and Velcro into place. To replace your side pads, put the connectors onto the hinge and click into place. All padding is machine washable or can be replaced.